Ever wondered how you can go above and beyond in supporting your favorite nonprofit during Big Day of Giving? One way to do just that is by making a fundraising page. You can create your own fundraising page on behalf of the nonprofits you care most about on Giving Edge, the website that hosts Big Day of Giving. Just go to bigdayofgiving.org, then search for the nonprofit you want to support. Once you find their Giving Edge profile, click on it, and then click the Fundraise button. From there, you can customize your fundraising page by adding your own image, title, description, goal, and more. Want to share your support for multiple causes without adding a specific fundraising goal? It's easy by personalizing your Giving Edge ambassador profile. Navigate to your ambassador profile, add causes you love and a note about why they matter to you, and check back to see the number of gifts you inspired. Then share your page far and wide to everyone you know.